Hi everyone, welcome back. This is another video from Godolphin and Latymer School, and this is our last question for this paper, question 36. We really like this question because it shows the power of a strategy that we are specialist in, and it's a strategy that really, when children get into it, they absolutely excel at problem solving, especially with number work. So let's have a look and show you why we're so enthusiastic about one of the methods that we use called the bar modeling approach. And it says here in the question, I bought a packet of fruit gums and ate 2 of them secretly in my music lesson. At break, I shared 1/3 of the remaining fruit gums with my friends. I then finished the fruit gums, eating an equal amount in each of the next 4 lessons. What is the smallest number of fruit gums there could have been in the packet? Now, this is question number 36 out of 40. And so, one of the last questions. And as we know, typically in tests and exams, the last questions are the more challenging ones. Okay, doesn't mean this is one of the most challenging ones. I think the way we're going to go through it with you, it will show that it's quite a simple method. Okay, so let's have a look. I'm going to draw a bar. So here's my bar to represent the whole packet of fruit gums. So he's ate 2. So I'm going to draw that. Okay, so he ate 2 gums. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through step by step. That's my packet of fruit gums. First, he ate 2 of them. And so let's draw that out. Okay, ate 2. Maybe I'll have a mark here like so. Or maybe it would just be a mark like this. And I can write 2 in there if I want to. Okay. Then it says that after eating 2, at break, I shared 1/3 of the remaining. So we know that this is the remaining part. And he's going to share 1/3 of that, right? So I'm going to try to split this into thirds. If I can do that properly, that'd be nice. Something like that, okay? So he shared this out, and I'll write down shared at break, okay? And then it says how in the final part, so I shared 1/3 of the remaining fruit gums, okay? So 1/3 means that there are 2/3 remaining. And then it says, I then finished the fruit gums eating an equal amount in each of the next 4 lessons. Okay, so a lot of eating here, but we can share these 2 remaining equal parts into 4 because of the 4 lessons. And so what do we have in the next 4 lessons? Equal amount. So you can see the equal amount, next 4 lessons. Okay, so I'll write that down as well. 4 lessons. And then it says, what is the smallest number of fruit gums there could have been in the packet? So naturally, I'm going to work backwards here. So 4 lessons was the last thing we discussed. We want that to be the smallest amount so that the whole thing could be worked out. So if he just had 1 in each of the 4 lessons, then that means that the 1/3, this section here, this 1/3 is going to be equal to 2. And so he must have shared 2 at break. And he had 2 originally. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the smallest number of fruit gums there could have been in the packet? 8 is the answer we're going to go with, so that we know it's right. We can go through this. If he had 8 to begin with, he had 2 secret in the music lesson. He's got 6 left. Then at break, he divided the 6 remaining into thirds. That means it's 1/3 of the remaining equals 2. So he ate 2. So he's got 6 take away 2. He's got 4 left, which he shared equally in the 4 lessons, 1 each. And therefore, altogether, we have 8 in the packet as the minimum amount, as the absolute minimum, smallest number. So hopefully that made sense. And you can see the power of what we call bar modeling. We're really experts and specialists in this as well. and all our tutors get training and have had experience of bar modeling approach. And so it'd be great for you to kind of go through this with your children, with our tutors, and see how absolutely amazing they turn out in terms of problem solving. Have a look at this question. Tell us if you enjoyed using the bars, if it made sense. If it does, give us a comment and a like, and please do subscribe to our videos. We love making these, and we hope that it helps you with your 11 plus preparation.